Well, I guess lost in the shuffle, reporting on all the storm activity, is the fact that it's really cold in Maryland right now. Temperatures started in the single digits this morning, barely got up to 20 this afternoon. It's in the mid-teens right now in most spots, but like I said at the top of the show, there's not much wind, so that's a good thing. We don't have to calculate a wind chill. 18 to BWI Marshall, 13 in Westminster, it's 16 in Chestertown. Temperatures will basically hold steady for the rest of tonight. The storm is approaching. We've got some snow showing up south of us, across southern Virginia, back into West Virginia and the Ohio Valley. Eventually, this is going to catch up to us, but it's going to take 4 or 5 hours to do that. So if you have plans this evening, you don't have to worry about anything except for the fact that it's really cold. The snow's probably going to come in after midnight. So let's take a look at this on our Futurecast. We'll time it out for you. This is midnight tonight. You can see the snow approaching from the south, temperatures in the teens. Once we get past midnight, the snow is going to move in. Now, the worst part for travel as far as snow goes, I think is going to be early Sunday morning. This is 5 a.m. It's going to be snowing really hard for a few hours around Baltimore, and that's when most of the snow is going to accumulate, especially with temperatures in the teens. And then once we get to the late morning and early afternoon hours, this is noon tomorrow, it's going to change over to a period of sleet. Sleet is the little ice pellets that come down frozen. They bounce off the hood of your car. If you want to see an explanation on all these different precip types, go to my X page and scroll down a few posts. There's a great explanation there. And it's going to change over to sleet, and we could get an inch of sleet accumulation on top of the snow. By the time we get into the late afternoon hours, I think it'll change over to light freezing rain. Freezing rain comes down in liquid form and then puts a glaze of ice on top of everything. So once the snow is gone, the travel is going to be difficult. It could be icy in a lot of places. Here's the good news. I think it's going to be gone faster than we thought yesterday. This is 9 p.m. The storm should be pretty much gone by that time. Here's how much snow we expect over this storm system here. I think this is the best way to present it, especially in a changeable situation. The most likely amounts that you're going to see at your house, 6 to 10 inches of snow. I think the high end is going to be a foot, and that would be most likely in Carroll and Frederick counties. The low end, 5 inches. So I think 5 inches is pretty much a lock. Most of you watching us tonight will be in the 6 to 10 inch range as far as the snow goes. But again, that's not the end of the story. Sleet and freezing rain coming after that. Monday and Tuesday, it clears up, but it's going to stay cold. A slight chance for snow flurries on Monday, high near 28. Look at the low temperatures Tuesday and Wednesday morning. In the single digits again. We're not going to get close to freezing for a while, and there could be another chance for snow at the end of the week. Some light snow on Thursday, and possibly again around this week time next weekend on Saturday.